Right, welcome back guys. For you that don't know me, I'm Brandon and I buy cars like this from auction and I rebuild them on this channel, and we haven't had much luck with this Corsa so far. Well, we've been on pause with it, let's just say that. But yeah, this is my 15 plate Vauxhall Corsa E. I've just got the dashboard kit here, so that's what we're going to be doing today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll get a lot more projects on this channel and we'll eventually get this one done. But I hope you all are okay, keeping well, keeping clean, and yeah, enjoy. So like Spark, plug Steve's video. I'm going to take these seats out because I think that is the smartest thing to do. And then we're going to tackle this. So I'm going to chuck you on the tripod. We'll see how far we get. He looked like he had a good time when he tackled his. So let's see how we go. Seats are out. Very dirty car. Probably have a quick hoover in this later, but I'll probably take all this out as well, mark them up so I don't get confused which one's which. I'm gonna start with the sat nav thingy, then I'm gonna move on to this. I don't know how to film in here because I've got the tripod, but I'll try and set it up on one of these seats by here, just so you can see me work. But yeah, I'm gonna have a look at the new dash, look at where all the fixing holes are, and hopefully we will get this out quite quickly. I'll probably start with the center console actually, and we've also got I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but when they crashed it over a year ago now, is syrup from the Coke just fizzing away there. So yeah, we'll have a little sort out now. Center console's out. These are the parts we've got out so far. So it's just mainly the side bits up by here, and just these little trim pieces by here. So I noticed there's a few bolts to do. Well on our way to get this out. I can't get up beyond there, so it must be ways up underneath. It's all very awkward, like I imagined, so bear with me and we should have this out in no time. Update. This is a nightmare. That is all. Finally, took a bit more just ignorance, I guess. I was trying to do it all nice and tidy, but sometimes you do have to just give it a whack. Just gotta get that airbag out of there, replace that. I'm going to tidy up all that area there just because I've got the room now. It was all tucked up in the garage, wasn't it? and yeah, it's just a lot of wires, and it's not too hard. It's literally, I'd say it's less than 15 bolts, about 10, but yeah, it's just a lot of working around the dash, but a lot of tools involved, different sizes. But yeah, perseverance, that's the key. Alright, so stick your back up on there. This won't take long, that's just one clip. Replace that bucket, probably bolt it on, and I'll tidy up all that wiring. But yeah, wasn't too hard. That's all tidied up now. I've got the right ECU in. I was switching in between ECUs when I was sorting out all of that. So that's all tidy now. I've got that new airbag in. Wiring is basically where it needs to be. So I'm gonna get that dash in now, and it should look nice and tidy. Still gotta get that windscreen sorted, but once it's all working, I'll get onto that. So I'm just gonna stick you on a tripod. We should have a dash. Dash and A-pillars are back in. Next is just getting all those main bolts in. Is just for reference, there's one here, one up in the center. You need an extension bar, and obviously it's mirrored on the other side, and there's just a trim here that goes there. I think that's it for the main kind of bolts. So it's not many, but there's just many small bolts. I can't talk. Yeah, it's just these little Torx bits. Alright, yeah, we plugged the AC controls back in. That's one thing I had to do, was change over the AC, the airbag unit. So yeah, this will come together now. 2 seconds. Well, for you it will be anyway, 2 seconds. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Putting this, I believe it's the clock spring or something along those lines, but you see this yellow marker that gives you center. So I just worked out that if you rotate it 6 times, so like you would a steering wheel anyway, if you do it 3 to the left, 3 to the right, this yellow thing will appear in the middle. So it's a pretty good indicator that that's the center. So that's how that's going to fit over there. I hope I explained that. It's pretty simple anyway, but you need to make sure that goes on center, because you can have some issues when it comes to actually driving if you don't put that back properly. So yeah, just a quick little tip. So what I've got here is a torque wrench, and what I've done, I've looked up the torque that I need to torque the main bolt up to, and it's 49 newton meters of torque. So I'm just doing that now, and you're just waiting for that click. And that's that, and I'll go over it once more, and there we are, and that's that. So yeah, steering wheel's on. Just gonna put the last piece in now, which is the airbag. Got all the plastics surrounding this all sorted now. Got the clocks in, got this lever sorted. Just make sure you get that bolt in at the right torque, because that was very important. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going now. Nice little update. Now is I'm actually gonna get the kettle and pour it in here. I've taken out all of the aux ports now, but hopefully this will warm up some of the syrup. But I don't want to melt the plastic, so I'll have to do this without the camera on actually. I've got to speak pretty loud because the neighbours have got music on, but basically I've cleaned out that now. That's brand spanking new. I just got to clean out this last little cup holder. The rest is hoovered. I've wiped everything down. It looks very, very, very good. I just got to sort out the rest, but that can wait till tomorrow. One last thing I need to do for today is get these seatbelt tensioners all wired up. So I believe it's probably just a quick little oh yeah, I can see that actually, but they just plug into there like that. One bolt there probably, same on the other side, but seats need a clean. Well, I can do that tomorrow as well. Yeah, we'll hurry up because I got food on the way. we're gonna reconnect the battery. Hope the airbags don't go off. So far, nothing's blown up. Just gonna turn the key on. Just hoovered, so I'm gonna take my shoes off. Let me get the keys first. We're just gonna make sure the airbags don't go off. Okay, scary. Airbag. Turn that. Feels like a car. That is gorgeous. That's the first time it's all been together properly. Jesus. Still no start. Service airbag. But yeah, it's all here. It's all ready and working.